Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your iPhone and opening Wallet. Make sure the Apple Card Titanium is active. Tap Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay, then set Apple Card as the default for payments. This ensures the card is used automatically. Once done, check the terminal has the contactless symbol. Most stores use NFC. If a cashier asks, tell them you'll tap or hold near the reader. This first step gets you paying quickly and prevents using the wrong card. Now hold your iPhone close to the NFC reader, about 1 to 2 centimeters, and keep the screen facing the terminal. You authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, look at the phone or rest your finger, and wait for the checkmark, vibration, and single beep. If the terminal asks, select contactless or debit, do not insert the physical titanium card. Once authenticated, the payment transmits instantly, and the receipt prints or displays on screen. Make sure to watch the confirmation before you step away. Finish by confirming the exact amount on the terminal and checking Wallet for the Apple Card receipt. You're done when you see the green check and a vibration. If the payment declines, first toggle airplane mode off and on, then reattempt authentication. Sometimes NFC briefly misbehaves. If it still fails, try re-adding the card in Wallet or use the physical titanium card. For persistent issues, update iOS, restart the iPhone, and contact Apple Card support. This resolves account, verification, and network problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.